Hi all, welcome to new video of Horilla technical series. In this video, we will see how we will configure the actions for the detailed view using the actions method available inside the detailed view Horilla detailed view class. So for that, I'm going to my VS Code. Then for now, let's comment the last video configuration that we done for the actions. Then for the actions method, we have an attribute called action method. Inside that, it will take a function name. Let's provide custom shift request detailed actions dot html. So sorry, it's not a dot html, it's a function. It will take a function name that available inside the core model, like the shift request model. So for now, this function is not available inside the model. So let's monkey paste this function to the shift request model. So def function name, then it will take self, of course. Then let's render. No. Okay, let's check the other action method that we've done so far. Render template, search for this. So it will return template with this function, render template. Okay, then here will be the HTML available for the actions. Okay, this template is not available, so let's create that template inside our custom shift request templates folder. .html. From here, you can you have complete access to the rights to the action that you're gonna write. For example, let's create a button. HTML button. Edit. So let's add all the other configuration that we've done for the edit form. hxget, it will be okay. HTML URL name will be here's the URLs. Custom shift request update, then it will take pk. So when you check the function for the custom method, here you can see the context object is passed like instance. So you can use instance.pk. Okay, then the modal and target part. First, hx target will be hash generic modal body, then data target will be generic modal. The final one, data toggle will be modal toggle. hx target, data target, data toggle, also the hxget. Okay, now we didn't monkey paste this function this shift request model, so let's do that also. Shift request dot the function name equal to the newly created function. So this function is now available at the shift request module. Then now let's refresh. When you click, you can see the health is visible over here. When I click, okay, the form is visible. Okay, let's confirm the template. Ensure the template is the same that we provided. I'm just add some debug line over here. Then when I check inside the local host 8001, you can see the line is visible. So that's how you configure the custom actions method for the detail view action. I hope you understood this video. If you have any doubt, queries, you can ask it inside the comments. Thank you for watching.